Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 17th, but we are going to do the Tesla video I did not do last Friday. So let's take a look at it. So Tesla closed up $5.26, 0.74%. Closed at 720.20. That's easy enough to remember. So let's look at the chart. So without the chart, we have no clue as to where the patterns are. So right now we are in this upward channel. So the stock is going up. And unless the stock breaks this downward support right here, we are still in this channel and the stock should be doing something like this. That's the expected behavior. If it goes outside here or outside there, this is something different. That's another pattern that is going to start. And then we are going to act accordingly. So if we break this here, so we are going to start thinking about shorting. And if we are going here, then this will mean that the stock is even more bullish than what it is doing right now. And we might decide to get into Tesla if we are not into it or add to our position. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Yeah, well, a pretty uneventful Friday. So we opened right here, tried to go higher, did not work, tried to go lower, did not work. This was pretty much what happened during the whole day. What's interesting is that we have stochastic over 60, which is what we like. We have the two lines of MACD above 0. We have RSI above 50, and we don't have the MI yet, but this is a nice impulse. This impulse here was not to be trusted too much because stochastic was not there, and then the stock fell. So right now, there's a lot more chances that things should be able to pick up next week. The indication is a little bit there in terms of the strength of the stock from the indicators, but we still need to break this downward resistance on the 1 hour chart to have Tesla move up a little bit farther right here. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. Stochastic at 67, that's good. We have the crossover of MACD. That's good. The two lines are still below 0, so that's our thumb down. RSI below 50 and DMI is still bearish. So let's hope that things are picking up a little bit. Also, let's not forget that we have the earnings call for Tesla on July 20th. So this might precipitate things a little bit. So it would be nice to have a nice move up with Tesla because it's been a while since we didn't have one that lasted a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great Sunday. If you are a member, then I'm going to jump on the weekly live within half an hour so you can join me there. Have a great rest of the weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.